any work, whether it is a professional work or it's a personal work, the moment you start using your hand or leg, I'm talking about since it is a 3H process, I am using the word hand. You all become as labor. You all just become as a labor. So you come and do work and go out. That's all. The moment you use the second H, the head, start thinking analytically, start thinking, put all the data, logically, reasonably, all your IQ, you use it. Head, second head, H stands for head. The moment you start using head along with your hand, it's become still. It's become skill. Then the combine if you combine both, it will become a skill. The third important H is what are the work you do if you combine along with your hand, your head, and one more H is your heart. So the moment you link all three, the output will be art, not heart, art, A-R-T, art. Okay, so that you always remember. So always whenever any activity you take up, you combine your hand, head, and your heart. The result will be, definitely it is going to be outstanding art. No doubt on that. Wishing you all the very best. Thank you very much for the wonderful patience and thank you.